We wish you a Merry Christmas. Step by step, copy me. Starting with your open D. D, G. Again, D, G. And then G, A, G, F. So 3 on D. G, A, G, F. And then one finger down. E, E, E. Again, E, E, E. And now open A. A, B, A. Play again. A, B, A. 3 fingers on D. G, F. Check that green line. Make sure you're right on it. G, F, D. Again. G, F, D. My turn. The whole phrase. Listen for it. D, G, G, A, G, F, E, 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 A, B, A, G, F, D. Ready? Go. D, G, G, A, G, F, E, 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 A, B, A, G, F, D. Okay, stop and practice that, and then go on to the next phrase. Plucking first is a good idea. We're going to go from open D to first finger B. D, B, again. D, B. Now, low 2. I gave you a silver tape on your violin. B, C, B, A. Again. B, C, B, A. 3 on the D string. G, E. 3 to 1. G, E. And then D, D, E. Again. D, D, E. D, D, E. A, F, G. Put it all together. D, D, E. A, F, G. Again. D, D, E, A, F, G, and a Happy New Year. Make sure you're on the green tape, right on it. Second phrase. D, B, B, low 2, B, A, G, E, D, D, E, A, F, G. Again. D, B, B, C, B, A, G, E, D, D, E, A, F, G. Now we're going to change it up. Slow and long. D, G, 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 F. Again. D, G, 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 F. F, G, F, E, D. Again. F, G, F, E, D. Again. F, G, F, E, D. So the whole part. D, G, 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 F, F, G, F, E, D. Practice that. D, G, 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 F, F, G, F, E, D. And then A, B, A, A. Can you do that? A, B, A, A. Then we're going to tack on G, G. G, G. Again. A, B, A, G, G, D. 3 on the A string. A, B, A, G, G, D. Remember to pause and practice things over. A, B, A, G, G, D. Again, those little 3-4 seconds. A, B, A, G, G, D. This is probably one of the hardest parts of the song. A, B, A, G, G, D, D. Open D. D, D. Does your D sound like that? Or is it, we want D. D, 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 D. A, B, A, G, G, D, D. D, D, E, A, F, G. The end of the song. D, D, 1, A, F sharp, G. D, D, E, A, F, G. Use this to practice the whole song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Don't forget the silver note. Practice that. Use your tapes, pay attention, work on memorizing it.